We often imagine the universe as an empty, silent void, a vast space where nothing truly happens. Yet from the perspective of theoretical physics, emptiness is not absence. It is activity in its most fundamental form. When we listen deeply enough into the structure of reality, we do not encounter silence, we encounter vibration. Everything that exists, every particle, every force, every moment emerges from oscillation, from patterns of tension and release woven into the fabric of space and time. This is a journey to the limits of knowledge, and at the same time to a state of profound calm. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe began to cool, not unlike an ocean slowly turning to ice. In this immense transformation, imperfections emerged, irregularities in the transition, faults in the structure of space-time itself. In cosmology, these hypothetical structures are known as cosmic strings. They are paradoxical objects, infinitely thin by everyday standards, yet carrying enormous mass and tension. Thinner than an atom, but heavier than mountain ranges. They may stretch across vast distances, threading through galaxies like colossal strings, and when they vibrate, they distort space-time around them, sending gravitational ripples outward through the universe. A faint cosmic hum, echoing across billions of years. Behind the apparent chaos of stars and galaxies lies a strict mathematical order. This order is encoded in the fundamental constants of nature. These constants are not arbitrary numbers. They define the conditions under which reality can exist at all. The speed of light sets the ultimate tempo of information. Planck's constant defines the smallest unit of action in the quantum world. Gravity determines how matter binds, curves, and gathers. These values remain stable across space and time. They do not change. They do not drift. In this soundscape, their relationships are translated into audible frequencies, not as music in the traditional sense, but a structure made perceptible. Numbers become tones, ratios become rhythm, order becomes sound. This process is known as data sonification. Abstract physical relationships are scaled into the range of human hearing, while preserving their internal proportions. What emerges is not distraction, but resonance. The human nervous system responds deeply to stable, repetitive patterns, to to coherence, to predictable structure. What many describe as ASMR or trance is not a mystery. It is synchronization, a temporary alignment between internal neural rhythms and external steady frequencies. We are not simply listening, we are attuning. At the deepest level, this soundscape is not about explanation. It is about proximity. Cosmic strings may never be directly observed. Their existence remains theoretical, inferred through mathematics and indirect effects. But science does not end where certainty fades. It continues where humility begins. As you listen now, you are not hearing noise. You are hearing a model, an approximation, a translation of the structure from which everything arises. The universe holds itself together through tension and balance, through rhythm and stillness, an equilibrium of immense force and profound quiet. And in this quiet, there is no emptiness, only vibration. If this resonates with you, subscribe to Soul Spirit Music and enable the bell. Your support helps us a lot.